Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to apply WordArt to text in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs app. Then go to the Insert menu, go to the Drawing option and click New. Firstly, go to the Action menu, go to the WordArt. Now write something. Then press Enter on your keyboard. You can see our WordArt is inserted. Now I am changing the border color and increase the border white. Now I am changing the fill color. Then again you can choose any color. Here are many color of the border color. Now I am choose this color. Then select the WordArt. Go to the you can change font. Go to the font option and click drop down menu. Now I am select Montserrat bold and resize the WordArt. Then click save and close. Now here we can see apply WordArt to text in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.